guys, it's me Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut video, and we are making this really fun Christmas card. There's the outside, then we have the inside. This is all done using the Cricut markers. This image here was actually a tag, so we're turning a tag into a card and making this really cute snowman card. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged in to Design Space. I'm also on the welcome screen. I'm going to go down to the first category, which is the Cricut Mug Press. Go to the right and click on where it says View All. In the upper right hand corner where it says Cricut Mug Press, we're going to click on that and go down and click on Cricut Access. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, type in Snowman Gift Tag, then click on Enter. And the image we are using is this one here, the little snowman gift tag. Click on that, you'll see it brings up a preview window. Very bottom, click on Customize. Alright, so we have our snowman here. Now because this is a gift tag, you want to look on the right hand side. When you select the snowman, it'll show you the layers over here. You can see it says Snowman Tag Pen, Snowman Tag Pen, Snowman Tag Pen, and then also Snowman Tag Basic Cut. We want to make sure we change the basic cut to pen. So on the right hand side layers panel, select just the bottom piece that says basic cut. Once that's selected, go to the upper left hand corner where it says operation and choose change basic cut to pen. That way the entire snowman will draw versus cutting anything out. All right, so we have that fixed. Now we can go ahead and create our card pieces. Left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on shapes, click on the square. Have the square selected. The top toolbar where the size is, you want to uncheck or unlock the lock. Make the width be 4 inches and the height is going to be 5.25. This will be a layer or a matte layer for the front of our card. I'm using white cardstock as the base of my card, so I want to change this color from black to red. Now I want to create a mat for the snowman to go onto. Left hand side toolbar again, click on shapes, click on the square. Have the square selected. The top toolbar again where the size is. This time leave the lock locked and make the width of the square be 3.75. We're going to change that to be a white color. And that will go on top of the red like that piece there. All right, now I'm going to put the snowman on that. I'm going to right click on the snowman first and choose duplicate. So I do want to use parts of the snowman for the inside of the card as well. I'm going to bring the snowman over. If you need to, right click on it and choose send to front. And just use the arrow keys to resize them how you like on that white piece. I'm going to highlight everything, go to the top toolbar and choose align. And go to the very bottom and choose align center. I'm going to go back and right click on it and choose attach. So now the snowman with the marker is attached to that piece there. And that's how it's going to look on our card front. I'm going to create the piece with the text. Left hand side toolbar again, click on shapes, square, have the square selected. The top toolbar where the size is, you want to unlock the lock. Make the width of the square be 3.75 and the height is going to be 1 inch. We're going to change that to be a white color as well. We're going to put that on the front of the card like that. Now we want to add our text. Left hand side toolbar, click on the T for text. You can type in whatever greeting you want here. I'm going to do Merry Christmas. Now I'm going to change my font to a writing font to have the font selected. You'll see it brings up a new font toolbar. Where the font is, click on the down arrow to see the fonts. Far right, you want to uncheck the box that says only current fonts. Then click on filters and go down and choose writing. This brings up all the writing fonts. On my first card, I chose a child's ear, which is this font here. I think on this one I'm going to change it so they're not identical. Just find a font you like. We have BFC Jolly Santa. That's what that font looks like. I think I'll choose that one. So I'm going to bring my white piece down and just use my arrow keys on my text to resize it to fit inside the white piece there. I'm going to go a little bit smaller. Highlight both pieces, go to the top toolbar again, choose align, and then center. I'm going to right click on it and choose attach. So now that text is attached to that piece there. So that's what the front of the card will look like. And now let's do the inside of the card. Left hand side toolbar, click on shapes, the square again. Have the square selected. Top toolbar where the size is, you want to unlock the lock. Make the width here be 3.75. The height is going to be 5. I'm going to change the color to be white. So now we have the inside layer. I'm going to grab my snowman and make him larger. He really is a cute little snowman. I'm going to right click on that and choose detach to separate the pieces. I don't want this piece, so I can delete that. I don't want this piece either. What I want is the heart from this piece and the little swirly pieces from this one. You can see when I right click on it, there's no option to ungroup or detach. So to get the pieces I want, I need to hide the pieces I don't want. To do that, you want to use the contour feature. Have the piece selected, the bottom right-hand corner of design space, click on contour, and just simply click on the pieces that you don't want. You'll see when you go over them, they get darker. Click on the X. So now I just have the swirlies, which is what I wanted. On this piece, all I want is the heart. So the same thing, bottom right-hand corner, click on contour. Now because there are so many pieces here, I'm just going to choose hide all contours. You'll see my heart is a light gray color. I'm now going to click on the heart to make it to where I can see it. Then also this bottom circle of the snowman is also dark. I'm going to click on that piece to hide it. So gray, if it's dark, that means it's going to cut. If it's light gray, it's hidden. So all we have here is the heart. I'm going to close that out. So now I have just the heart. Now I want to add text to the inside of the card as well. So the same thing, left-hand side toolbar, click on T for text. I'm going to type in sending snow many wishes your way. It's going to use the same text we just used. I have it selected. Top toolbar, you want to choose alignment, choose center, so it's all centered. Use the arrow keys to resize it to fit on the center of your card. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to highlight everything. Go to the top toolbar, choose align, and choose center. That centers it up and down, left to right. I'm going to grab my heart and put that on there. If you need to, right click on it and choose send to front. Put that there. I'm going to make this one be a little bit smaller and bring that over here. And again, I need to right click on it and choose send to front. And put that right there. You want to highlight everything one more time. Right click on it and choose attach. So now everything is attached to that piece here. So we have the front of the card here and the inside of the card there. I can delete this piece. I'll just use my trimmer to cut out 2 pieces that I need for the inside and outside of my card, so I can remove that one. Upper right hand corner, click on make it. So we're using this white cardstock and a marker, and you can do this on 8.5 by 11. I'm just going to separate the pieces here. Now the snowman does use different colors of marker. I'm just using all black, so when the Cricut prompts you to change the marker, if you want to, you could. I'm just going to keep it the black marker. I'm going to click on continue, cut everything out, go to the table, and put the card together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. This is our card base. I just used my trimmer to cut out a piece of cardstock. This measures 8.5 by 5.5. Just going to fold this in half. You can also score it if you want to at 4 1/4. This is your standard A2 size card. Because I'm using white for a card base, I like adding color on the inside. So I have 2 pieces of red cardstock. These both measure 4 by 5 1/4. We're going to put one on the inside and one on the outside. So there's the one for the outside there. And on the inside as well. This is why we made the inside white piece 3 3/4 by 5. So it's a 1/4 inch smaller than this piece here. All right, let's grab the inside of the card. Okay, so the inside of the card is done. Super fast, right? This card is actually pretty quick as well. Even with the drawing, it only takes a few minutes to do the drawing. All right, so there's the inside. Now we have our 2 pieces for the outside. This snowman is absolutely adorable. I'm going to pop him up. Now I've added my large foam square, so I'm just going to use a bunch of these little ones. They still do the same thing, just a little bit smaller. I'm actually using 9 of them. All right, now while I'm here, I'm going to do our greeting as well. Pop this one up. You don't want to pop them up, you don't have to. I just like the white lifted up. It just gives the card a little bit more something special. All right, let's give all these a squish. Then take the backings off and our card's done. Love simple cards. So leave me a comment. Do you guys, if you guys have the Cricut or any other die cut machine, do you guys make Christmas cards like this to mail out or to give to friends and family, or do you buy the ones that are already made? I usually make mine for friends and family, but for like hubby's coworkers and whatnot, I'll just buy a pack of cards. Some of them I'll make a crafty card for, but I do enjoy making Christmas cards. I think nowadays with social media, I think all kinds of cards are like almost extinct. It's just easier to say Merry Christmas on Facebook than it is to mail out a card. I do like mailing and receiving cards. All right, that's going to go here on the very top. How cute is that? Love that. And this one, the only thing I did differently here, I changed the font. This was the font A Child's Ear. This one was, I forget what that was called, BFC Jolly Christmas, I think. And I made this one 3/4 of an inch tall, and this is 1 inch tall. But super cute. You can also color him in. You can add little accents to him. Maybe just like a little marker, draw orange in for the nose. But really cute, really simple, and absolutely adorable snowman. All right, guys, there you have it. Our Cricut video for today. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.